Los Angeles fire started on January 10th, 2025. It is still burning now. The fire is very big, and many people are scared. A big fire is happening in Los Angeles, California. Many people are worried about it because it is spreading fast. The fire is burning in the hills of Los Angeles, close to the city. The reason for the fire is not clear, but experts say it could be because of dry weather, strong winds, and hot temperatures. The fire started in the early morning hours. The smoke from the fire is so thick that it can be seen from far away. Firefighters are working hard to stop the fire, but it is very difficult. They are using water trucks, helicopters, and planes to fight the fire. Many homes in the area are in danger. Some of the homes that are burning are very expensive. These are the homes of famous people. Celebrities and business leaders live in these big houses. The fire is destroying these beautiful homes. Some famous actors, musicians, and athletes live in these areas. One of the neighborhoods affected is Beverly Hills. This is where many famous people live. The fire is burning parts of Beverly Hills and other famous areas of Los Angeles. People are leaving their homes because it is not safe. Some are staying with friends or in hotels. The fire is not just burning homes. It is also burning trees, plants, and wildlife. Many animals are losing their homes too. The firefighters are doing their best to save both people and animals from the fire. As the fire grows bigger, it is affecting many parts of the city. Roads are closed and people are advised to stay inside. The air is full of smoke and it is hard to breathe. People with breathing problems are especially at risk. Authorities are telling people to wear masks if they need to go outside. The fire has been going on for days now, and it is hard to tell when it will end. Firefighters are working day and night to control it. Some areas have been evacuated. The people who live in these areas are waiting for news about when they can return home. The damage from the fire is very big. Many people are worried about how much will be lost. The damage to the environment is also huge. Experts say that the fire could take weeks to fully stop. They are trying everything they can to prevent the fire from spreading further. The fire is not only affecting the people who live in Los Angeles. Many tourists are also in danger. Some tourists have had to leave their hotels because of the fire. Los Angeles is a popular city for tourists, but now many people are staying away because of the danger. Some people are helping by donating money and supplies to the fire victims. Many organizations are asking for donations to support those who lost their homes. The local community is also coming together to help the firefighters and the people in need. The fire has also caused problems with power. Many homes and businesses have lost electricity. This makes it even harder for people to stay safe. Without power, people cannot keep cool or charge their phones to stay in touch with family and friends. In the areas where the fire has been worse, many homes are destroyed. It will take time to rebuild everything. Some people have lost everything they had. The fire has left many people homeless. without their belongings. There are people from all over the country who are coming to help. Many firefighters from other states have come to Los Angeles to help fight the fire. They are working together to stop it from spreading more. It is a big team effort. The fire is also a reminder of the dangers of wildfires in California. This is not the first time that Los Angeles has had big fires. Experts say that the hot weather and dry conditions in the area make it easier for fires to start. They are warning people to be careful and prepared for the next time. As the fire continues, many people are asking what can be done to stop these fires in the future. Some believe that the government should do more to prevent fires. Others think that people need to be more careful with how they live near forests and hills. The firefighters have saved many lives, but the fire is still dangerous. It is important for everyone to stay informed. People are asked to follow the news and listen to the advice from local authorities. They should know what to do if the fire gets closer to their homes. The firefighters are doing their best, but the fire is very strong. It is hard for them to control it because of the strong winds. The winds are pushing the fire to new areas. As the fire spreads, more people are worried about what will happen next. While the fire is a big disaster, it is also bringing out the best in people. Many local groups are working together to help those who have been affected. Volunteers are helping to care for animals, and people are offering food and supplies to those in need. In the coming weeks, people will begin to clean up the damage from the fire. It will take time to fix the homes and buildings that were damaged or destroyed. Los Angeles will need support from all over the country to recover from this disaster. In the end, the fire is a reminder that nature can be very powerful. The people of Los Angeles are strong and are doing everything they can to get through this difficult time. Many people are praying for the fire to stop and for everyone to stay safe.